Namaste students. Today I am going to teach you subject mathematics part 2. In mathematics part 2 we will study next part of chapter 3, circle. Here theorem of cyclic quadrilateral. Theorem: opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So this figure, quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Given quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic. To prove, first angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. This angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. And 2, angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Proof: arc ABC is intercepted by inscribed angle ADC. This arc ABC is intercepted by inscribed angle ADC. This angle ADC. Therefore, statement number 1, angle ADC is equal to 1/2 measure of arc ABC. Measure of this angle ADC is equal to half of measure of this angle arc ABC. Arc ADC is intercepted by the inscribed angle ABC. Statement number 2, angle ABC is equal to 1/2. This angle ABC is equal to 1/2 measure of arc ADC. Adding 1 and 2, angle ADC plus angle ABC is equal to 1/2 measure of arc ABC plus 1/2 measure of arc ADC. Angle ADC plus angle ABC is equal to 1/2 is common term. In bracket, measure of arc ABC plus measure of arc ADC, bracket complete. Angle ADC plus angle ABC is equal to 1/2 multiplied by 360 degree. Measure of arc ABC plus measure of arc ADC is equal to measure of circular arc. Arc ABC and arc ADC constitute a complete circle. Angle ADC plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degree. Dividing the 360 degree by 2. Therefore, my angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, we can prove angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Remember this. First, the measure of an inscribed angle is half the measure of the arc intercepted by it. 2. Angle inscribed in the same arc are congruent. 3. Angle inscribed in a semicircle is a right angle. 4th, if all the vertices of a quadrilateral lie on the same circle, then the quadrilateral is called a cyclic quadrilateral. 5th, opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. 6th, an exterior angle of cyclic quadrilateral is congruent to the angle opposite to its adjacent interior angle. 7th, if a pair of opposite angles of a quadrilateral is a supplementary, then the quadrilateral is a cyclic. 8th, if 2 points on a given line subtend equal angle at 2 different points which lie on the same side of the line, then those 4 points are concyclic. 9th, in figure, see this figure. First, angle AEC, this angle AEC is equal to 1/2 measure of arc AC plus measure of arc BD. Measure of arc DB or BD. Angle CEB is equal to 1/2 measure of arc AD, this arc AD plus measure of arc CB. 10th, in figure, see this figure, angle BED is equal to 1/2 measure of arc BD, this measure of arc BD minus measure of arc this AC. Example 1. Quadrilateral MRPN is a cyclic, comma, angle R is equal to 5x minus 13 degree, comma, angle N is equal to 4x plus 4 degree. Find measure of angle R and measure of angle N. Quadrilateral MRPN is a cyclic quadrilateral, that is given. Therefore, angle R plus angle N is equal to 180 degree. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Therefore, 5x minus 13 plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 180. Here 5x plus 4x is equal to 9x, minus 13n plus 4 is equal to 9, minus 9 is equal to 180. 9x is equal to 180 plus 9 is equal to 189, and therefore x is equal to 189 divided by 9. Therefore x is equal to 21, and therefore angle R is equal to 5x minus 13 is equal to 5 multiplied by 21 minus 13. 105 minus 13 is equal to 92 degree. Angle N is equal to 4x plus 4. 4 multiplied by 21 plus 4. 84 plus 4 is equal to 88 degree. Measure of angle R is equal to 92 degree and measure of angle N is equal to 88 degree. To in figure, altitude xz and xt of triangle WXY intersect at P. Prove that first, quadrilateral WZPT is a cyclic. 2. Points XZ TY are concyclic. See this figure. Segment YZ is perpendicular side on XW. Where is YZ? YZ is perpendicular to XW. That is given. Segment XT. XT is perpendicular on side WY. It is also given. Statement number 1. Therefore, angle PZW is equal to 90 degree. 2. Angle PTW is equal to 90 degree. Adding 1 and 2. Angle PZW plus angle PTW is equal to 90 degree plus 90 degree. Therefore, angle PZW plus angle PTW is equal to 180 degree. By converse of cyclic quadrilateral theorem, quadrilateral WZPT WZPT is a cyclic quadrilateral. Angle XZY is equal to angle YTX is equal to 90 degree. Given points X and Y on the line XY subtended equal angles on the same side of line XY. Therefore, points X, Z, T and Y are concyclic. If two points on a given line subtended equal angles at two distinct points which lies on the same side on this line, then the 4 points are concyclic. Example number 3. In figure, measure of arc NS is equal to 125 degree. Measure of arc EF, this arc EF is equal to 37 degree. Find the measure of angle NMS. Solution. Chord EN and FS intersect externally at point M. Given measure of angle NMS, measure of this angle NMS is equal to 1/2 measure of arc NS minus measure of arc EF is equal to 1/2 125 degree minus 37 degree. 1/2 multiplied by 88 degree is equal to 44 degree. Measure of angle NMS is equal to 44 degree. Thanks for watching this video.